Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline. While we are wrapping Cybertrucks daily at T-sportline, typically with color change PPF film or color change vinyl film, one thing that we really specialize in are custom printed vinyl wraps. Take a look at this project we just finished for our friends from Jefe Energy Drink. Our in-house graphic designers collaborated with their team to go ahead and create this one-of-a-kind, absolutely beautiful brand awareness wrap so that they can go ahead and hit the streets and go to events and not only show off their really cool Cybertruck, but obviously promote their brand. The wrap itself has a matte finish, which is exactly what they wanted. And to finish it all off, they upgraded their wheel and tires to our 24-inch satin black CTM wheels, because that just makes this truck look absolutely stunning. Thank you so much for watching. If you love our YouTube content, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel. I have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon. And now, I'm gonna take a sip.